So, you found your old computer in the garage, but you have no idea what the password is. How do you remove it? Well, let me show you. It's pretty easy. Okay, so this is the password reset software, the pogostick. Basically, I think it's Linux. I'm not sure. This is a very old program. So this works on XP, Vista, Windows 7. I have used it on Windows 10. Not sure about Windows 11. Maybe not. But also on Windows 10, if the drive is encrypted, it won't work. So the computer has to be all the way shut down. If it's sort of halfway shut down, it wouldn't work in that case. But it's pretty straightforward. You just, in most cases, you just press enter. So you see here's the hard drive, 500 gigabyte. If there were more hard drives, you would see different hard drives or partitions. But it defaults here. So if you just push enter, it's just going to go to 1, which is, there's only one partition on this drive. And then it should go to, let's see, what is the registry directory? Just push enter. And then you have the, what is this? Path of the registry files. For some reason, it only does that sometimes. What to do, edit data and passwords, you just push enter again. And then you have your user accounts. So in this case, it's Office. So we want to put in, let's see, list users, user, simply enter the username to change. So because there is no administrator account showing, we're going to put in Office and see if that works. And then clear password number 1. Enter. Okay. Password cleared right here. Password is cleared. And then we're going to quit. Now, there is a last step here. It doesn't actually do anything until you write quit Q. There. Now, are you going to write files? Yes. So until you do write, edit complete, new run, no. Until you write that command, it's not done yet. And that's the thing that I forgot when I first started using this program. End of scripts, returning to shell, press Control Delete. Okay, so it's done. So basically, it's not really clearing the password until you write it to the hard drive. So let's take out the CD. Where's the button? There we go. So in this case, I'm using a physical CD. I have a USB version of this that I normally use, and for some reason that didn't work on this computer. But a long time ago, I made a bunch of these discs because I knew that it might be an old computer that wouldn't boot from USB. So let's see, mount, mount, restart, okay. So let's just turn it off. Or it's rebooting now. And let's see if we have a password. Windows XP, here we go. Starting. Password. Now, there's no password. So before, it wouldn't let me go forward because there was a password. So we're in. There was really no reason to do this. I just wanted to show that it still works. And also, like I said, it was, I think, faster for me to just remove the password than to reinstall Windows XP. But I will make a Windows XP installation video at some point, just because I forgot how it goes when you install XP. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and make a new account and then delete the old one, so that'll get rid of all their data. But I'm kind of curious, because it's been so long since I've installed XP, I just want to go through that process. And then we're going to go ahead and put Vista on here if we can. Let's see, new account is going to be just user. But that's it. The software is free. I hope that there's still a link to it. If for some reason the software is gone, I will upload an ISO, but I'm pretty sure it's still available online. But the link, I remember the link to the software is kind of weird, so it's not, it's like a long path of some weird old website. But that's it. You can remove the password for free. XP, Vista, 7, 10. And this is good for people that find their old computer in the garage and they can't remember the password. And it's not necessarily for trying to crack into, someone else's computer. But that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. I get up, I get down.